What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today I have both my Hondas out for a wash, my Honda Civic Si as well as the Honda S2000. If you guys watched my videos a while back, I ceramic coated that S2000, and this is the first wash I've done with the car since I ceramic coated it. So just thought I should do a little review video after about 2 months of ceramic coating and show you guys the effects of it. If you guys are new to the channel, here's my 2008 Honda Civic Si, my daily driver, and the weekend car, my 2007 Honda S2000. Do a little walk around for y'all. So I already sprayed down the car. I haven't actually washed it yet, but figured might as well give it a good wash. So I think it'll be a good little comparison video because my Civic Si is not ceramic coated yet. The plan is to get her done. My S2000 on the other hand is all ceramic coated. So yeah, just a little walk around on both cars. I love these cars. The S2000 has actually been down for a while because the car wouldn't start. I had to push start it the last time I drove it. So, little update, I had to replace the starter on it. I ended up replacing the battery as well, but car still didn't start, so I replaced the clutch ignition switch, which is essentially what happened. I guess it's a safety feature, which yeah, car didn't start. Anyways, car starts now, good to go. So yeah, let's get to spraying down water and show you guys the effects. Non-ceramic coated versus ceramic coated. Alright, so we're gonna spray down the S2000 first. I already went ahead and soaked it down. Notice how the water beats right off. Beats right off real nice. I'll show you guys against the Civic Si later. But ceramic coating definitely makes washing the car a lot easier. Like I said, I ceramic coated it for about 2 months now, and this is the first time I'm washing it. But again, this car is mainly garage kept. I don't really drive it too much except on the weekends, so I would definitely recommend anyone ceramic coating their car because it also protects it against stuff like bugs and light scratches, stuff like that. Think of it like an invisible coating. Just look at everything just fall right off. Alright, and here's on the Civic Si that has not been ceramic coated. So look at the water, how it flows off the paint. It's much slower versus the ceramic coated car. Pretty much just beats right off. It just falls off real smooth. And on the non-ceramic coated car, it just takes a while for the water to fall off the car. Alright, we have both cars all washed down, looking really clean. The S2000, nice and shiny, ceramic coat doing its magic. Look at that. Not bad at all for 15-year-old paint. And over here we have the Civic Si. Apologize, some water on my lens. Also looking nice and clean. This is the daily driver. I do have the ceramic coated. You know, technically it makes more sense to ceramic coat the daily driver first, but I just always have a thing for ceramic coating my fun cars. If you guys didn't know, I ceramic coated my Mitsubishi Lancer 2018, so it's been like 4 years now. It's due for another ceramic coat. I did it myself, so it's pretty easy to DIY. And more recently, we did the S2000 2 months back. I'm gonna take on the Civic Si Nix. If you guys are wondering where to buy your ceramic coating stuff, I have a description. I have a link in the description you guys can click on to get your ceramic coating supplies. If you go to a shop, usually they charge on average $1,000 more sometimes to ceramic coat your whole car, but I did it myself for a fraction of the price. Alright, so just short little video about the ceramic coating results. Again, if you guys want to buy your own ceramic coat, click on the description of every single video. There's a link for you to click on it to purchase it. Really good price. You can buy the bottle for under $100 and pretty much ceramic coat your whole car. If you have a truck, you might need more, but like for small cars, even on Mitsubishi Lancer, a sedan with 4 doors, one bottle is more than enough. So you can ceramic coat your wheels, ceramic coat the whole car. It's hard to go wrong. So I also have DIY videos, so make sure to click on that if you want to see how to do a step-by-step ceramic coating. And again, if you guys stayed to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.